Hello, everybody. Thanks for jumping on Wealth Protector TV. And this is Paul. You know me. I'm here with my colleague, Craig Strom. Craig, happy Thursday.
Happy Thursday, Paul.
All right. So, if you've listened to us before, we do this every single Thursday, 9 a.m. California time. And we're live streaming on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn. I think we're on Twitter too. Wherever you're watching, welcome. And the show is all about providing value for you and educating you and helping you with important planning matters. And today, really fired up for this topic. We're talking about the documents that every single teenager needs to have. I got 4 kids. Craig, I know you have kids. And, you know, this is important to us. And we get a lot of questions about this from our clients. And we have 6,000 clients across the country. So we're a very, very busy firm. Asset protection, estate planning, business planning. That's who we are. And so let's get ready to jump into this. It's be eye-opening. Glad you're here. Okay, Craig, take it away. Let's jump into this. Tell me about these documents.
All right. So many of the people watching this are just in the situation you and I are in, Paul, where they've got a son or daughter, multiple kids that are either at college right now in that old station wagon they got for Christmas, or they're going to be dropped off coming up here to start the school year. And there's a million things to get ready for that college adventure. And these documents are missed every time. I often talk to folks.
I gotta stop you right now because you just reminded me that when I was growing up, we had a Ford Falcon station wagon, and me and my 3 brothers would
Yes.
get into that thing, no seat belts. We'd be jumping around and drive from Southern California to Oregon every summer for to see family. So it was a
Exactly.
good memory.
And here
Yes, but
you are,
I
you
digress.
survived.
Right. Yeah.
Now, back when you were fighting for the rear-facing window seat in the Ford Falcon, this was not an issue. This #1 document that every teenager should bring to college with them. This wasn't an issue because the Health Insurance Privacy and Portability Act was not a thing back when you and I were kids, Paul. HIPAA is a real thing today. That Health Insurance Privacy Act, that's the key. Privacy. If you've got an 18-year-old going off to college, technically an adult, which means their health insurance records, conversations are all private and confidential. And if something happens to your son or daughter while they're traveling or off at college, if you do not have a HIPAA release that says that you're allowed to get information about their medical conditions, their medical treatments and records, the doctors and hospitals will share zero information with parents. Even though you're the parent, without a court order or a HIPAA form, the hospitals won't share any information.
Yeah, and this is a big deal because most parents don't know this, and it happens, and especially with the COVID thing that went on, and kids got sick in
Oh,
college,
yes.
and we saw real examples of that. So it's no joke.
No joke at all. So the two options that I mentioned there were one, a court order, right, which costs anywhere from $8,000 to $10,000 in legal work and months of processing, or spend a few $100s getting the documents you need in order. One of those, #1 being the HIPAA release, that authorization to be able to get information about your child's, son or daughter's medical information. So that's document #1.
And Craig, that's just dealing with you one-on-one, or anybody that's in, somebody has a relationship with, but it's basically you having a discussion, asking questions, describing, and then getting that form filled out, and it's in order, and they have it. Is that right?
Absolutely. That's exactly right, Paul. Yes. All right, let's jump
All
into
right.
#2.
Number two.
Right. So number two ties directly in with the HIPAA release, and that is the healthcare power of attorney, also called an advanced healthcare directive, a medical directive. This is the document that goes into more detail about what you as an individual might want to happen if you were out of commission, if you were unconscious, and in terrible situations, if you were not coming back, meaning let's say you were in a hospital being kept alive by machines. The healthcare power of attorney lays out and tells the story of what you want to happen. Now, this is a situation where, again, if you have an adult over 18-year-old child that's off at college and something bad happens, you and I talked about it last year, Paul, that we had someone in our close proximity that had a daughter in the hospital all of a sudden in a bad way.
Right.
The healthcare power of attorney allows the parents to be able to make medical decisions for their child on their behalf and to work with the doctors. That healthcare power of attorney is critical, could even include end-of-life decisions that without the power of attorney, parents might be completely closed out.
Yeah, and that's interesting because it can come up too if you've got a child who's got medical issues, right? I mean, maybe a kid is on medication and you're working with, as a minor, you've been working with the doctors, and let's say your kid's seeing a psychiatrist and there's, medication to control whatever's going on, and then all of a sudden they're 18, but, the
Right.
story. A kid that
And
goes
then
from
it's
17 to 18 isn't all automatically just an adult now. I mean, they still need, parents helping out. So this is where this matters. You got a kid in that situation, get this going.
absolutely, yeah. It happens fast as well. That, one day my daughter was 14 years old, and the next thing you know, she's telling me that she's passed yet another advanced medical class for her nursing degree. And like, where did the time go? And for the record, we have the appropriate documents even to this day. She is almost entirely off our payroll, but she's living off in another state, and we still have these power of attorney documents in place just in case.
Yeah, and they're never off the payroll, by the way. That's not true.
Okay, gotcha. You've got a few more than me. Thank you for the bad news, Paul. I appreciate it.
You get that phone call. Hey, great to hear from you. Hi, I love you, Pop. I love you, Pop. Oh, here it comes. What do you need?
Comes.
You want the money?
Oh, now let's make sure that I don't miss the third document. And I've got two bonus ones for you, Paul. Bonus things to share, but let me give you the third one. The third one is a durable power of attorney for financial matters. Now, the durable power of attorney for healthcare is specifically for parents to be able to communicate with the medical field. The durable power of attorney for financial matters is exactly that. It is the document that allows parents to be able to take care of their child's financial matters. For example, student aid, scholarships, dealing with the university themselves. I'll tell you that we had that issue that when my daughter was old enough, that the university now started saying, oh, we can't talk to you. We need a power of attorney. Well, thankfully, we had all the powers of attorney ready, and we emailed them right over so that we can get information about the money we are spending at the college. That's the crazy thing, that we were spending money at the college, but the college wouldn't talk to us because our child was now over 18 and we needed a power of attorney.
I know. No, I know what you're talking about. So the financial power of attorney, it's for everything, for every financial decision.
Yes, my daughter is renting a home with her boyfriend in Flagstaff, Arizona. What if something happened to the two of them and I needed to be able to communicate with the landlord or her bank or any of those things?
Great point.
I would need a power of attorney to do it.
That's a great point. And Craig, is the financial power of attorney, again, it's a document you fill out, and the person that you put on the financial power of attorney doesn't necessarily need to be the same person for medical directive. Like, what if you're, divorced or you got one parent, or like, how do you figure that out?
That's an excellent question and a great point to bring up, Paul, that I've seen it. Our attorneys at our firm have seen it. I'm sure that you've heard of these situations as well, many, many times, where the financial power of attorney might be dad, and the healthcare power of attorney might be sister or brother, because mom or dad is just too emotional to be the power of attorney for healthcare decisions, especially end of life decisions. It's just too difficult. So selecting that person does take some consideration, right? Really sometimes some really fine consideration to think who's going to be the best person in that potentially very awkward and difficult, stressful situation to be in charge of your affairs, whether they be medical or financial.
Right. Right.
Yeah. So you want my bonus content?
Yes. Bonus content. Yeah.
All right. So we had 3 documents that every college kid really should have. And by the way, they are not terribly expensive. We offer this to our clients for their kids all the time. Definitely get on the calendar for one of our free assessments and just talk about it. Maybe even include it in the conversation about your own planning, but don't miss it. So bonus item number 1 document is an emergency contact list. Do you have your son or daughter's cell phone password? Do you have that information where you could get access to all their contacts? Well, if you don't, as a parent, it's likely that their friends and close companions don't have it either. So making sure that emergency personnel, school personnel, people nearby have access to an emergency contact list so that they know who to call, who to get in touch with for your son or daughter. That's a very important one to have readily available, and not hiding in an iPhone.
Got it. Yeah, exactly. Okay. Exactly. Okay, great bonus. Keep that together. That's great advice.
Then one more. Medical specifics. Now, you can have a healthcare power of attorney and you can have a HIPAA authorization. What is usually not included in those documents is the granular details, perhaps about a son or daughter's medical condition. It's always important to have something of a record of allergies, blood type, any particular conditions and things, to make sure that that kind of information, if there's something serious, to make sure that medical personnel, make sure that friends, people at school could have access to that information so that your son or daughter gets the best treatment and doesn't get medication that they're allergic to, for example. So always important to have that laid out.
Great. Yeah, no, great advice. Bonus document. Okay, very good.
Yeah, so emergency contact list and medical specifics, I like to call it, making sure that's important. And then just a few final points here about these documents for your kids.
Yep.
That these forms really should be updated on a regular basis. Kids grow up, they change schools, they change jobs, they may or may not get married. It's important to take a look at these on a regular basis, perhaps yearly, to ensure that these documents are still appropriate, to make sure that the representatives are still the right people in the right positions. And it's important also to double check with your son or daughter's school to make sure that they're going to accept, for example, here in California, power of attorney and financial matters that was written here in California. Her school and everybody in Arizona accepts that as fine. It's important to make sure that your son or daughter's school, financial institutions, will accept your potentially out-of-state document. Always good to check that.
Right. Love it. Love it. Love it.
Yeah, so Craig, that's it. It's a tough one to think about, but it's really, really good to know that you're prepared for something that will never happen, likely never happen, but it's good.
Love it, Craig. As always, great information. And what I put up there on the screen is we always want to offer a complimentary planning assessment to anybody that takes the time to watch our videos. We put out a lot of content, and you can get one-on-one with Craig and the team to get input on your situation. Estate planning, asset protection, these documents we're talking about here. And we'll Zoom it. And what you want to do is text Guard Assets to that phone number. When you do that, you'll get access to a calendar where you can pick a time, get one-on-one with us. We'll give you the input. And the whole idea behind this is to help you get organized, updated, and protected. We'll give you our observations, recommendations, tell you how to do it. It's great. Craig, thank you so much. Great to have you. And everybody, thanks for joining. And remember, every Thursday, 9 a.m. California time, right here on LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. We're out there in the sphere, Craig. We're everywhere. Where's Craig? Where's Craig? He's everywhere.
I bet Paul's on MySpace, for crying out loud.
You just dated
Thanks,
yourself,
Paul.
buddy. All right. Thank you. We'll see you next time.